Hi, I'm Simich. I've been working in the bush for about 6-7 years. What do I love about my job? Everything. It's my passion. What I see is that in another 10 years' time, we'd probably have that many more extinctions in here because the pests are that bad. And we're already seeing changes now with leaf litter on the ground, with possums disappearing, the birdsong's changing. It needs to go back to what it was, I think. It's quite important. Local people, for sure. It needs to be spread within the community. I mean, as it is, we've got so much support from other groups and landowners. It's important people know about what we're doing in here because it's not really seen. Everybody's in the bush working, so the more people we can involve locally, the better.